Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Dr. Saurav's classes. So, I am Chinu Thakur and in this video we are going to discuss about Piaget's theory. Piaget's theory is very important if you are preparing RRB, KVS or CTET examination 2025. I have already discussed about multiple theories. For example, Kohlberg's theories that is also important and it is very closely related to Piaget's theory as well. How it connected you can see through that video which is already uploaded. Okay, so let's get started about this video. This is very important, guys. So Piaget cognitive development theory. Jean Piaget is a Swiss psychologist basically. Okay, so the full name of that person is Jean Piaget. Jean Piaget has done the child development and he studied child development as he explained in his theory. How children actively build their understanding of the world through their own experiences. Okay. Children's progress through distinctive stages as well, and each stage has different way of thinking. And in this video, we are going to discuss about those different stages. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about sensory motor stage, that is age between 0 to 2 years. In this stage, the child should learning through their own senses. Sensory exploration, like infants learn using senses, for example, touch, sight and taste. They also learn through motor actions like grasping and crawling. Object permanence is very important topic. It is also connected the sensory motor stage. Permanence means when a key achievement is understanding that objects still exist when out of sight. A baby search for a toy under a blanket as well, right? And what is imitation? This is very easy and you must be know about that. Children begin to mimic action as they see. This is a critical development stage. Next is pre-operational stage that is considered between 2 to 7 years. Symbol and intuition. Symbolic thinking is in this stage. Children use words and images to represent objects. Thinking is intuitive here and can be egocentric as well. What is egocentrism? They have difficulty seeing things from another's view. They have own views and they struck on that. That is egocentrism. Animism is also key point of this stage. That is, they believe in animate objects have feelings. Centration is also key aspect of this stage as well, focusing on one aspect, ignoring others, and a taller glass has a more water even with the same amount. Okay. Next one is concrete operational stage that is between 7 to 11 years. And in this stage, they are going to go through by the logical thinking. Logical thing means children think logically about concrete events. And they also started conservation. They understand the amount stays the same, even it change appearance. Okay, and the water is the great example in that. Reversibility. It is also comes during this stage. Understanding action can be reversed. For example, math and science problems. Now next is formal operational stage that is 12-year plus and abstract thought also comes during this stage. Abstract thought when you thinking about concepts without any physical presence. Hypothetical reasoning is also key points during this stage. Formulating and testing hypotheses systematically. Proportionally thought, evaluating logic without real world context. A teen solves equation and debates issues as well. Adolescents think abstractly, hypothetically, and deductively as well. Now they can debate philosophical issue and solve complex problem is the important thing during that time. Now the most important thing, as I already mentioned, I have uh, given video on Kohlberg's theory, but how it linked to Piaget, it is important thing here. As we have discussed that Kohlberg given pre-conventional, conventional, post-conventional level and six stages also in that. During pre-conventional, that is focus on direct consequences to self. Okay, that is pre-operational. He was talking about Kohlberg's talking about conventional, which is focus on social rules and expectation. And here it is concrete or formal operational. Then Kohlbergs have given post-conventional theory, which is focused on universal ethical principle, and it is here formal operational. So Kohlberg's theory relates to Piaget's stages and pre-conventional links to early childhood as well. Conventional links to later childhood, post-conventional require formal thoughts. Piaget theory in everyday life, real world application. This is very important. Teachers design age appropriate lessons, so this theory help in that. Okay. Parents understand their children's thinking because of the help of Piaget theory. Clinicians treat cognitive issue which can help in their therapy lectures and lessons. And designers consider cognitive ability for their best product design. So, supporting cognitive theory, Piaget theory help us understand how children think, understanding their stages, supports children's growth. Every child is unique and they progress at their own pace. Okay, remember this when they considering stages. So this is all about Jean Piaget theory. We have seen there are stages and you have to learn about those stages well. Okay, don't forget, and I'm going to give you a screen or screenshot also, which is very important for that video. As you see in this picture, that is sensorimotor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operation. In this picture, I have given you all important information in one image. Okay. So sensory motor, that is 0 to 2 years, pre-operational, that is 2 to 7 years, and concrete, that is 7 to 12 years, and formal operation is also there. Understand world through senses and action, that comes under sensory motor. Okay. So try to understand these pictures very clearly, because when you forget the words, image is permanent in fitted in your mind. So through sensory motor, that is understand world through senses and action, and pre-operational under 2 to 7 understands world through their language and mental images, and concrete operational where you understand world through logical thinking and categories. Then there is formal operational, that is understand world through hypothetical thinking and scientific reasoning. So all these things is important when you discuss about Piaget theory. So this is all about Jean Piaget theory. It can be more extended theory, but I guess these are very simple if you go by a simple words, and I have given you simplest words, I would say that. So if you like the video, just click on a like button. If you want some more information about those theories, so you can also put your comment on a comment section. I'll give you enhanced or detailed video about Jean Piaget theory and Kohlberg's theory as well. So very soon I'm going to give you some more information for others important theory for your examination. So be there and just subscribe the channel, because RRB examination will be on June and date is also given there. But if the final date will show on a website, that would be good for you. Okay, because I know the roughly date, it's around 8th June 2025 will be your RRB examination, and your KVS examination has some confusion in that, so I'll definitely put some information related to the KVS as well very soon. So just subscribe the channel, then only you can get a correct information about those examination, when the examination will happen, and what about the KVS, everything related to these things we'll discuss in our class. Okay, so guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, just click on a like button. We'll sure manage to give you some more important information related to your examination.